To use Cash App to receive money, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account if you do not already have one. Once you have the app installed and an account set up, navigate to the main screen and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From the profile screen, select Personal and then scroll down to the section labeled Your Account. Here you will find your unique Cash App name, also known as a cashtag, which is used to identify your account and facilitate transactions. You can share your cashtag with friends, family, or anyone else who needs to send you money through the app. When someone sends money to your cashtag, the funds will be deposited directly into your Cash App account. To receive money, the sender will need to open their own Cash App, navigate to the main screen, and tap the Send Money tab. They will then enter the amount they want to send in your cashtag. After the sender confirms the transaction, the money will be transferred to your Cash App account instantly. You can then choose to leave the money in your account, transfer it to your bank, or use it to make purchases. It is essential to note that Cash App has some fees associated with certain transactions, such as instant transfers to your bank account. However, standard transfers are free and typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. To ensure secure transactions, always verify the sender's identity before accepting money and keep your account information private. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Cash App to receive money and take advantage of its convenient and user-friendly features.